Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right behind me we have a 2024 T680 Signature Series, Kenworth 100th Anniversary Signature Series. Kind of the same thing they're doing, but this has a lot of neat features and some really cool features that most T680s don't have. So in the front, you can see on the Signature Series we have black LED headlights. We went with fog lights on this, and then it has this black chrome design on it. It's not gloss black, it's black chrome design. The silver grills, you know, it all kind of just blends in there perfectly together. It also has the black chrome on the side vents here, which I'm hoping the GoPro picks it up. It's kind of hard to see on this angle, but it's a slick truck. This one does have wheel closeouts, really aerodynamic. It's going to be pulling a big van trailer. This guy wanted to, you know, quite honestly, this is like a W9 spec in a next gen. It is a 565 X15 Cummins with an 18-speed transmission. It is a manual, three pedals man truck. You got it. This one is a 100th anniversary Signature Series, as I said before. And let's get into the meat and potatoes. It has the wheels closings. It has the low aerodynamic. That it does have the extender on it. The extender. It does have the extender on the back. You see it has an APU cooling module. This does have the Kenworth KEMS unit, the battery powered APU. Of course, our 3-in-1s, our latch. It does have this little slick feature here where if you're hooking up, you can pull, and it gives you way more access to get in. And then when you're done, just give her a shut and you're back to all good, nice and tucked for aerodynamics. We also have shore power pack 2 with the inverter. It has a 10-inch sub right here, the inverter, plug in all your accessories. There's outlet throughout the cabin. There's a KEMS unit, which is the idle management battery powered APU deal. And of course it has the 100th anniversary badges on it. Shore power as far as the heater as well. But let's get into meat and potatoes. The interior is where it's at in this truck. It is a diamond VIT with a 100th anniversary, and look at that black with the red stitching. I mean, this video is not going to do it any justice. T680 formats. We have the Kenworth 100 right there. We have two-tone seats. The two-tone seats with the red stitching, and then it brings it up. Also, you know, the black and red stitching there. It has the same as a 100th anniversary, this lighter gray, awesome look all throughout the unit. All right, in the back here we have the 100th anniversary right there on the back wall. You can see the black with the red diamond tuck stitching all throughout the back of the sleeper, the diamond VIT. We have two windows on both sides. They slide up. These also up here slide back. You got another vent up there for more light. Stubble bunk storage. You can see we have outlets in with the Power Pack 2 option. There too with the TV mount. We have the swivel desk that goes like so. Let's say you got some paperwork to do. You got the swivel passenger seat. We can swivel it and we can sit here at the table and do what needs done. I mean, what's better than sitting at a desk and, you know, for your paperwork, everything else. Actually, I couldn't sit like this either. You slide back. You have plenty of room to do your paperwork. Sit down comfortably. It has the KEMS unit, so you just turn it on right there. We're gonna crank her to 70 and go fan on 3. Inverter controls right next to it. You can also turn on the radio, lock the doors, turn your sleeper light or your footwell lights on, your sleeper lights on off. You have your AC controls from your trucks on, your radio controls, everything right here in the back of the unit. I'm 6'4", guys. You got plenty of room to stand. You can stretch everything else. But the black and diamond stitching and the 100th anniversary badge is probably my best feature of this Signature Series T680. Of course, you have cabinets, all the goodies, new truck. These seats are also beautiful in the two-tone, the black and the red with the bug eye and bordered in the top. These are heated and cooled seats. CB radio, we got more storage here, here, and here. Plenty of storage. You also have up top here, microwave spot there, 2 drawers underneath, cabinet, more storage up top, fridge, another drawer, and then also you can reach under here and grab that and lift right up to get to your under bunk stuff. Where you got, you know, your 10-inch sub with a premium stereo, your Kim's unit, your hooks, all that stuff. And as you know, the escape doors open on both sides of a T680 to throw your groceries in. I mean, really, what more do you need? It also features a red and black leather wrapped steering wheel. It has the digital gauge display. So you can always just have your gauges on. So now we got gauges. We got all the gauges information you need right here, and just go look straight up. Also it all right there. Radio, air conditioner, got spare switches, trailer brake, engine brake, your smart wheel with your radio controls, source, all that. You have cruise control over here, and then you have your light check, work lights, all that good stuff on the dash. Now you guys keep saying you want to see under these engine bays, so let's get that done today. As I said, it has the X15 Cummins in it, 565 horsepower, 1850 torque with an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. And a T680 that's a lot lighter than a W9, so you can imagine this is a hot rod you got here. You have the huge turn signals on the side of the fenders. No four-wheeler is going to miss that. You also have the daytime running lights with the LEDs, which I know on the videos they flicker, in real life they don't. It's just the way the frames per second match. But you got, that's an aggressive stance coming at you down the road right there. Look in your rear mirror and see that. Might throw you off a little bit because it's a very, very good looking truck coming at you. And just think about this, they're getting crazy good fuel mileage on these with the aerodynamics they did. It's kind of nutty what some of my customers are getting. And definitely this W9 spec with the high horsepower Cummins, and then you got the 18 speed on top of it in a lightweight unit. For the Kim's unit, you have the cooler down there, the lines run underneath. As you can see, there's not a APU battery box on either side. It's actually tucked up right here. This fairing comes down, and that's the battery box for the APU. They're back right in there, right behind this fairing. So it keeps everything aerodynamic, everything good and going. You still got your, you know, emission stuff in that front step. As you know, with every truck on this channel, here comes the drone montage. you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe button's right down there. It's free. Got a lot more content coming for you guys. Kenworth content, LS, GM content. There's a little bit of Ford content coming. You know, if it has to do with the motor, I'm probably going to be involved somehow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.